the unrealistic quest by a group of outgoing local government chairmen that their tenure is expiring on the 17th to now say that whatever the Supreme Court rules, that they will remain in office. The judgment or ruling of Supreme Court is about the issue of the autonomy of the local government, not about local government chairmen who wants to enjoy tenure elongation at the expiration of their tenure. So there will be no tenure elongation in Rivers State, no matter whatever is the judgment of the Supreme Court, because judgment of the Supreme Court and the issue before the Supreme Court is about the autonomy of the local government. The issue in Rivers is that local government chairmen, that their tenure is about to expire in a matter of few days, 17th or thereabout on Monday, is now planning to extend their tenure and stay in office illegally because former lawmakers in the Rivers State House of Assembly who lost their seat by virtue of their decampment, went to one bedroom in Emuha and came out and addressed the media and said they have extended the tenure of the local government chairman. You don't have extension in a democratic setting. That is I don't think they are rational thinkers. You don't have extension in a democratic setting. Democracy is democracy. It comes with a timeline. It's like a rock of Gibraltar. It cannot be moved. So at the expiration of your tenure, you leave office. There's nothing on this earth that can make you stay right there at the end of your constitutional term. It's just like saying you extend the tenure of the president or the governor. On what condition? So if they want, they can go and recontest. Their money will go directly to them. Nobody is going to touch their money. But the most important is that if you think running around Abuja, people pushing and say, oh, let's Supreme Court deliver judgment. If the Supreme Court deliver judgment is on the issue of the autonomy of the local government, Supreme Court is not delivering a judgment that says that local government chairmen who tenure expires can now stay in office and enjoy unelected tenure. That is political madness. It's unrealistic. It's white ghost shit. It cannot happen. So if anybody is thinking that by virtue of whatever will happen in Supreme Court that he can remain off, that person is a small boy in politics. He's learning. There's no it is like a queue. It's an aberration. It's unknown. And more importantly, who are the ones who say they have amended the law? People that have been sacked, people that are no longer local government chairmen, people that their seats have been declared vacant, people that committed political stupidity when they left their own political party when there was no issue, swore to affidavit before the Federal High Court that they have left PDP as of 11 December 2023. Now struggling to come back and say, oh, they forgot when they were singing on your mandate we shall stand. They forgot with the flag flying, and when the speaker was reading the comment letter on the floor of the State House of Assembly, they forgot about that. Or they forgot about the fact that they swore an affidavit that they're no longer PDP members. Suddenly now they're running all over the place in the night looking for where they can obtain a court order that can say they are now lawmakers and they are still inside PDP when they say they have left the party. You see the political immaturity and lack of experience both by those pushing them. You think you can just commit all these political harakiris and then there will be courts that will be willing to give you some papers in the night so that you can now say you're a lawmaker. There's no way they are coming back. If they want to be lawmakers, they can go and remove all those cases in court and they could conduct the by-election as soon as possible. If they are popular, they can win. If they are not popular, that's the end of the story. So whatever is the judgment of the Supreme Court has no impact on Rivers State as it has to do with the expiration of the tenure of the current local government chairman that will democratically expire on 17th of this June, which is a few days from now on Monday. At the end of that expiration, there is no power on earth that can extend it. Not even the president can do that for anybody because it's unknown to law. And as lovers of democracy, how can we say that it's possible for lawmakers, just like I'm here, I make a law that says the president or the governor can stay in office? That's political madness and harakiri. Nobody can allow that. So it's the end of the road for them. So if they like, they can sleep in Abuja where they are currently sleep or hibernate somewhere in their meeting room in a two-bedroom in Emuha. But the point remains that their tenure is coming to an end and the people of Rivers will have the opportunity to democratically elect new occupants for that position. There is nothing that can make them stay there in office. Mark what I'm telling you today. Democratically, it has ended.